My name is Stephane Dubois. I'm the CEO and founder of Xignite, and with me here is Chris Crownover. What we do is simple. We have the easiest and most popular suite of financial market data APIs. Those APIs make market data easy for our clients. The best fintechs in the world use us, including the largest banks as well. Last year, our platform served more than 1.5 trillion API requests. That's more than 30 million API requests during this demo alone. Now, we call our platform the Xignite Market Data Cloud because market data should only be stored once in the cloud. So let us show you how simple we make market data. Let's go to our API catalog. Shopping for market data is a little bit like shopping on Amazon. You can search data by asset class, by frequency, by data type, for example. So let's say we're looking for delayed equity quotes. We have multiple options, and let's pick this API here, which is one of our most popular ones. Then we can pick a specific API to test for. So let's look for a stock quote for 10 cents, for example. Now I can easily search it using our Cloud Search Type-Ahead API. I can show a quote in JSON, in XML, and CSV, and here it is. Here's your Hong Kong Stock Exchange stock quote. I can also customize it. That's very simple. I can click here. I can pick a couple fields, for example, like last and volume. And I can view it again. And here it is, a customized stock quote. It's very simple. But I hear you. What's the big deal? This is just a REST API, and everybody has those now. So what if we could make this API stream? Would it be a little sexier, maybe? So now we go back to the catalog, and we're going to pick Cloud Streaming. We're going to pick the same API as before. And we're going to look again for our 10-cent quote. And we're going to look at it in JSON and display it. The difference now is that the data is going to update as the market updates automatically. New quotes coming from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Now, you can use this to stream data to millions of devices without any infrastructure. And it only takes a few lines of code to integrate it. Streaming market data has never been so easy. Now, I can see you guys are a tough crowd, so let's kick it up a notch a little bit. What is the #1 financial application in the world? Anyone? Excel. I didn't hear it. 1.2 billion users. The world runs on Excel still. But pulling market data in Excel is still not that easy. Even with an expensive terminal on your desk, you still have to use a lot of cryptic tools if you want. So I'm proud to announce today the launch of the Xignite Cloud add-in. The Xignite Cloud add-in is the easiest Excel add-in for bringing market data into Excel. How can you make bringing data into Excel very, very easy? Simple. You use the same paradigm as an Excel function, which we're all used to. So let's open the Excel function box. I can now see all the Xignite functions, services available here. We'll take the same we took before, and we'll use the same API as well as we used before. And I can enter my parameters, again, for my 10-cent stock quote. I can even pick the fields I want to show. So in that case, we'll show last and volume again. And press OK. And here it is. The data displays in Excel. And it actually updates automatically when Excel recalculates. So pretty simple. But I see you guys are still not impressed. So let's kick it up another notch. You remember that cloud streaming bit? Can I stream data into Excel? Well, let's show you. I'm going to go and take the cloud streaming API, and we're going to enter the same parameters as before, but this time let's pick a couple symbols. We'll show Tencent, and we'll also add HSBC. Hopefully there's some HSBC people in the room. Happy to talk to you later. We'll show the last and the volume, bid ask, and let's also show the symbol. And I click OK. And here it is. I have data streaming in Excel with a simple function call. Not enough? All right, Chris, let's go to the FX tab over here. So this is our FX streaming function. What Chris is going to do is fire the streaming by putting simply an equal sign in front of that formula. This will fire off the streaming of those FX values. All right? Let's show them the map. And here you are. You are in Excel. And you've got a map of the world updating in real time with streaming market data from the FX markets. Couldn't be any easier. So hopefully we showed you how we make market data simple. Please stop by our booth and talk to us later. We are Xignite, and thank you very much.